Okay, y'all, I'm picking up the camera because I'm actually going to start watering the whole mixture. I guess I put it that way. Let me show y'all how it's looking. Like I said, I know I need at least one more bag of dirt as well, because I'm going to start pouring water on this, and it's going to probably sink down some too. So let me go ahead and get some water. And I still have to get some more water, y'all, because this ain't enough water at all. But I know I got to start watering it. So when I leave, I'm going to put the top on. Actually, today, I'm putting the top on, rather. I got to go get some more water.
Together, catching up on the latest cruise news. At the top of the show today, I want to say thank you. Over the weekend, we reached a milestone, 31,000 subscribers on YouTube. Thank you so much for making it. I and we will continue to hoping to hit 150 and 100K. Allows us to do so. We appreciate that. Let's jump into the cruise news and talk about a big story here, an interesting story about cruise ship inspection. They have from time to time.
So the CDC is the one who does the inspection?
Yeah, yes, the CDC.
The CDC is going to be on board, and they're going to inspect your ship, so make sure everything.
Oh no, my selfie stick finna get wet. Oh shit.
They don't receive an advance warning. Instead, it's
You know what? I have to edit this video a lot. All right. Y'all, I got another cup. I'm about to start pouring it in now. And as you can see, some of the green peppers, some of the compost that I made, because I put a lot of fruit and veggies that I had that was old. I started saving stuff because when I saw the video, like I said, about making this kind of thing, the things you can fill in for this with this, it said to use compost, fruit and veggies, stuff like that. So that's what I started putting in there. I started saving like about a week, 2 weeks ago, maybe 2 weeks ago. So like I said, that's what I have in there. So I'm going to go ahead and get the lid, put the lid on top, and then let it do whatever it's going to do. Because like I said, we have to go on vacation shortly. So it's going to stay moist with the top on while we go, so it won't dry out and the dirt be a mess and that kind of thing. So like I said, it will definitely be interesting by the time we get back. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like I said, I want to definitely share this with y'all because I know that when you're building... even though I don't know if I built it the right way, we will see y'all. We'll see what grows once I plant the seeds in there and everything. So, or the seedlings in there and everything. So, in the video I saw, like I said, it said to put the rocks on the bottom, some brush or leaves, trees, all that kind of stuff, or tree branches, that kind of thing. Any kind of containers that you have that's food grade. I put that on the bottom as well. And then, of course, filled it with some dirt, then some compost, then some more dirt. But I need a lot more dirt, at least another bag or probably 2 bags of dirt, actually. So I'll get some once we get back. So like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Me just filling up this big old bin, trying to get the garden at home on our balcony started. So let me show y'all the whole balcony. It's not that big. I'm going to probably have to do I don't know. I guess measure it for y'all, I guess. I don't know. I'm not sure how big it is. It's probably like, let me see, 4 feet, 4 by 10 maybe. Maybe 4 by 10, 4 by 12, I guess. But like I said, it's getting done now, y'all. So like I said, this is the first stage of this. When I come back, I got about, like I said, 2 more bags of dirt. I'm going to have that ready to go. And I'll show y'all all that planting and all that kind of stuff too. So with that, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure that you of course, subscribe to this Healing Garden Journey. Again, this is Tanetta. This is my channel. Make sure that you share this out with somebody that you know that's looking to, of course, start a garden in their apartment or on their balcony in a small space. So like I said, make sure that you, of course, share this with them as well, y'all. Take care. I'll see y'all in the next video.